Sister, our new 3D artist Lali is refusing to switch from Max to Blender. Now he's climbed to the top of the highest cliff and is threatening to jump. You're our HR manager. You have to do something. Oh, poor Lali. What happened, Lali? Blender. It's too hard. Are you sure? I've lost both of my arms. But the entire art department has already switched. I cannot. Everything was fine until I hit hard surface modeling. I went through dozens of YouTube videos, but none of them made any real sense. Most were either painfully long, overly complicated. I kept slamming the keyboard in rage, and well, now I have no hands. But in your job interview, you said you'd master Blender in 2 weeks. I don't recall saying that. I tried, but I failed. I must now find myself a job where no hands are required. But Lali, you know all Russian cars are assembled in China now. Please, just try one more thing. The free and fantastic workshop on hard surface modeling from Defontaine. I swear it's clear, structured and totally beginner friendly. Get your free access to hard surface modeling workshop in Blender from Defontaine now. No more confusion or frustration in Blender.